Yep. DSC off.
Great fun. Yeah, turn
Awesome.
everything off.
Yeah.
Turn everything off, and then you can understeer into the first cone and just adjust from there. You'll be fine.
Brilliant. Got one more car going on. Wow. And then we're on. We're in Lewis's 140 at the moment. And what tyres you on, Lewis?
Goodyear Eagle F1 Super Sports. They're about 5,000 miles old.
Nice.
One track day, very good. But this is going to be like driving on ice.
Yes.
I think we'll try Sport Plus first, see how that feels, and then we'll probably still spin, and we'll probably go for DSC off on round 2.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, it's going to be slippery, Reg.
This is it.
Yeah.
So Lewis has got Sport Plus on at the moment.
Oh!
Wow.
It is slippery.
I've never been on a skid pan before.
Have you not?
No. This is a new experience for me. Oh, this is great fun.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Oh, she's going,
Oh!
she's going, and we've spun, Reg, we've spun.
It feels wrong, like
Yeah.
that sensation, because, oh man, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, she got her traction.
I'm not used to that spinning sensation, because obviously on the public road, you obviously try not to spin, and when, you know, if you do, you know you're in trouble. So this is, yes, Lewis! Oh. That was good! And this is with Sports Plus on.
Yeah.
And there's the grip.
Yeah.
Mate, that was fantastic.
That was good.
You held that really well.
Thanks. I think the car was doing a lot of it.
I feel like
Oh, that was fun.
that was wicked. DSC off next time?
Yeah.
Nice.
But you could feel that the traction control was doing a lot of that. And you could feel I had my foot pinned to the floor at one point, and it was cutting the power. There was no power, it was just sat there.
Wow.
But it was good. I'm impressed I actually held that round there, but I think if we go DSC off, I will spin straight away.
Second session.
Indeed, DSC off now. Right, let's see what happens. Oh, that already feels quite slippery there. Just understeer there.
Yeah, it's because you've got, there we go. If you give it a bit of power. Oh yeah, lovely.
Too much understeer.
Power, power, power. Yeah. Oh, shit. Woo! I was a little bit worried then.
It'll be fine.
Yes, yes, yes. This is great.
Yeah.
Maybe yeah, try and go around again. Yeah, there we go.
It's alright, just get her to grip.
There we go.
That was fun.
Yep, off the power. Yep. This is great fun, guys.
There we go.
That will do it.
Yeah.
That's what it's about, guys. Just have a bit of fun. Oh. Brilliant, Lewis. That was great.
Thanks. See, I told you guys we were going to spin.
Oh, yeah.
What was cool was we were sat there wheel spinning in gear 5 at one point.
What?
And the car couldn't figure out what to do.
Here we are, guys. We're now in my car. So, yeah.
It's been nice knowing everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say your prayers.
See if Reg kills me, although I did almost put him through the porter cabin.
Oh, shit. I was a little bit
He was
worried
a bit
about that.
scared.
I'm more worried about your car, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so here we are. Quite excited. They got the old sprinklers on. They're just lubing the track for us.
Yeah.
So it's nice and grippy.
Get your car nice and dirty, Reg.
Yeah.
Nice dirty. So what tyres are you running?
So these are Michelin Pilot Super Sports,
Cool,
basically.
the standard spec.
Standard
tyre.
spec, factory spec, right there.
I don't think we'll be able to tell a difference on this surface, but
I don't think so. Here we go.
Here we go.
Manual mode.
Yes. Nice. I love that exhaust, Reg. Come on, Reg. Send it. Yes. Go on, Reg. All the way around.
Wow, I nearly had that.
Yeah, you did. But you didn't spin. Keep going. Power, power.
Woo!
Woo!
Let's do the round. Let's try and do the roundabout once more, then I'll come off.
Yeah.
I've got to, come on.
You've got much better car control than me, Reg.
Come on.
Much more aggressive with the throttle.
I can't get any grip down, so I'm just crabbing.
Dare I say it, I had a little bit more grip than you. That's it, Reg. Dry it out for him, mate. Dry it out for him. Yeah! Nice.
That was fun. That was good.
That was good. Nicely held.
Alright guys, here we are, second session. Let's do this. Here we go.
Understeer there, Reg?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, that feels good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Good. Yeah. Come on, Reg, get her in the mood. Get her in the mood.
Nearly had it.
Where are you looking? Are you looking at a fixed point? I think if you try and look at where you want to go, where you want to put the car, that's what I found made it a bit easier. So I was looking like over there. Yeah, that's it, Reg. Nice. Lots of understeer and now four-wheel slide.
I'll come off now.
Yeah.
Look at that. So
nice.
easy
yeah.
to control.
Lovely.
That's great.
Nice one, Reg.
Alright.
There's me trying to give you advice and I'm not a drift expert. You're a hooligan.
Guys, well, what a day. That was so fun, seriously. Big thanks to Mission Motorsport for you know, making it happen basically, and Piston Heads as well. Brilliant, loved it.